Expanding businesses, steady success. Real-time data, pioneering solutions, optimizing